how to take pictures by using voice commands like smile, cheese, capture, or shoot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. After that, tap on the quick controls button. Now from the menu here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down to the general section and then tap on shooting methods. Then tap on voice commands and make sure voice commands is switch on. After that, you can say things like smile, cheese, capture, or shoot to start capturing a picture. So let's test it out. Shoot, smile, smile, cheese, say cheese, cheese. And that's it. So if you go to video, you can issue this command like record videos. Record videos. And that's it. The camera will now start recording the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.